Are you facing issues with Twitter notifications not working on your PC? Let's troubleshoot and fix this problem with these steps. First, try refreshing the Twitter webpage to see if that resolves the notification issue. Next, clear your browser's cache and cookies. For guidance on how to do this, visit your browser's support website for detailed instructions. If refreshing and clearing cache do not work, log out of Twitter on your desktop and then log back in to see if that triggers the notifications. Sometimes, a simple restart can work wonders. Turn off your device, wait for 30 seconds, and then power it back on to see if the notifications start functioning properly. If the issue persists, try connecting to a different network or switch to using mobile data to determine if the problem is related to your current network connection. By following these troubleshooting steps, you should be able to address and resolve the Twitter notifications not working problem on your PC. Stay connected and enjoy a seamless Twitter experience.